Can one new international market truly trigger an economic boom for an entire state? We went to Oba in Anambra State to find out. What we uncovered will shock you. A story of incredible transformation, surprising opportunities, and a clear vision for the future. Join us as we explore the heart of Anambra's rising prosperity and uncover the power of strategic development. This is the new site for the International Pharmaceutical Market, located in Oba, Anambra State. Before this international pharmaceutical market, there has been an existing international market around this location, which was started around 2002, and those are the small building you watched just now on this clip, and those are the buildings you are seeing over there. Those are the small buildings you are seeing over there. So these are the major entrance linking you to this old international market, and that of international pharmaceutical market also has its own entrance. And these samples you are seeing currently stated it clear, award industrial blah blah blah, approved by Anambra State government, international market, and the rest. You can pause the video and read it very well so you see for yourself. So this is the view of the place from outside, and this is the view of the entrance gate, pharmaceutical entrance gate from outside also. So from here we head inside the compound. The entrance, at the entrance of this pharmaceutical market, it has a dual carriage road, demarcated, just like dual carriage road, so but has not been asphalted for now, though some part of it has been demarcated and others has not been touched, because nothing has been done in that area. So, and it also has some other linking route to other areas. But what I am yet to get clearly now is if the old international market we're gonna be linking together with this pharmaceutical market. But according to one verified information I got from somebody when I visited the location, the person said it's not gonna be only pharmaceutical market alone. There are other markets that will also join them, and from the sample it stated clearly other companies will also gonna be here too. So companies will gonna be here, and to make it that international market, which they call it, the man also told me that banks also be located here, and the police station will also be put in place over there. So that green zinc or blue zinc you are seeing right now are just the erected companies that currently is currently under construction. So when I assess this place, honestly, the place is very big. It's a massive land. It's a very big one. Honestly, it's a very big one, and if properly done in such a way it should be done, honestly, this place is gonna be another catching eye for Anambra State, honestly, if it will be properly done with this massive land that I'm seeing. Because according to the man that was briefing me about anything, he told me that where they currently are now is even small, because they have the land still continue even after where the buildings currently end. So it will continue further. Even if you go towards backpack, you're gonna be seeing some cleared areas where I think maybe construction will coming soon around that area. But according to the man, there's one power line at the back of that place. He said the thing will almost get to that power line. So but the information is yet to be verified, but these are just what the person I met there just briefed me. So maybe it's a verified information, or what they heard, maybe I'm not yet quite sure. But all I can say, the place is very big and massive, and the shops, the size of the shop being erected in that pharmaceutical side where we are currently are now is very big. Is okay, like it's very big. It can contain a lot as a shop. It's not that tiny type you saw you have inside the Oborgo currently. The old Oborgo at Head Bridge is not the size of those shops. Those ones are very, very tiny. The one you have here is quite big to contain things enough. So inside here, he briefed me there will be police station, there will be banks and the rest. So and other companies will also come in. So the only thing I'll have to chip in here before ending the video, or allow you guys to continue watching the video to see the full view of the environment, is if this thing is properly done, honestly, it will be a boost for Anambra State, because it will also help, honestly, it will help to decongest that bridgehead, and decongest other areas, any other places they will move their own departments down to this place. It will decongest the area and help to make Anambra look more orderly, more organized, not coming inside the street and be finding markets everywhere, not just markets, major markets, which is not proper. So if this place is properly done, not asphalting this area, leaving this area, or asphalting the main entrance road, leaving all the inside the surroundings of the buildings to be looking so unkept. Whenever it rains, everywhere we just go like what I don't know. So if everywhere will be put in order, make everything look so clean and okay, honestly, it's a go for me. It's a very nice thing to do. At least they have enough space over here, and if you want to checkmate anything here right now, it will be very, very more easier to do around this vicinity. And before I forget, it will also help to develop around this place, because right now this place is full of bushes, so it will help to develop this area. It will help to boost the development and the rest. So before now, a lot of us who know Anambra very well already know that there are other major markets who which they have relocated to new places. Markets like Obabada, which was inside main market before, was relocated to Bridgehead. Oboro is being relocated to Nkwere axis. Then building materials was also relocated to Ogidi, and we also have plywood market around the Obunike. So all those things is very, very nice thing. It makes the whole place to look orderly, making the whole place to look nice without scattering different markets all over the places. So it's a nice thing. And those old markets or those newly moved markets will also be visited, like that of Oborgo. I've not visited there, but I do pass through there. Their main entrance gate, the main entrance road has not been constructed. Nothing has done there, but I just saw some few individuals are already moving in there. They have already started selling there. So it will be a good thing if the road is asphalted, or the inside the market should properly done. Stone base should be done in everywhere that is needed, so that whenever it rains, the place will also be looking nice and good, not having some kind of unpleasant look and the rest. So it will be a nice thing to properly do the whole market very well, so so that the whole place will be orderly and looking so clean and nice. And another thing I'll contribute on this particular project going on here is because if you check other markets we have currently, other major markets we have in Anambra State currently, all of them lack this particular thing, and it's a very, very bad thing. Honestly, it's a very, very bad thing. Not providing waste bin, where they will be disposing their debris and the rest. Is a very bad thing, and the people that are in charge of those things are not made to be available. They will never come. The whole place will be littered with dustbin and the rest, and the whole place will be smelling. I believe wherever this kind of thing, this kind of pharmaceutical or whatever, or medicine is being sold, or even edible something is being sold, should be made to be very, very clean. Not to be very, very not to be looking quite unkept. Like if it's visit some some part in that Okpoko market. You can see where everywhere, how everywhere is looking. Some parts inside inside even that Obog, we can see the way it's looking when it rains. So this particular one should not be like that. Everything that the market needed should be provided, and after it, other markets should also be visited and properly done. Those are the things I wanted to chip in here. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so. Subscribe, like the the video. Don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to give us your own take via the comment sections. Then for the project, I will only say the project when I visited, and when I has been passing through there. I'll be honest, is somehow very sluggish. It's moving very slow, but we are just watching and hoping that one day it will be completed, but you don't know the years it will take. But we are just watching and hoping that it will be completed, and proper things should be done around that area. So guys, thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't just watch and leave. Subscribe, like, and give us your own take concerning the new site as we are watching the rest of the video. Thank you guys. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next video.